Good noon to everyone. This is Dr. D. Kritika, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications, Dr. SNS Rajashmi College of Arts and Science. Today, in your playlist of your brands, we are going to add one more related to your reinforcing brand. How we are going to reinforce the brand. So, when we are regenerating the particular brand, we learned that in the stage of your decline, we are going to regenerate your brand. So, here in the stage of your maturity, that is in your product, in the stage of your maturity, we are going to do with your reinforcing of the brand. Why we want to reinforce your brand becomes a question mark for us. So the reinforcing of the brand is nothing but the process of managing the brand equity over the time by consistency, the communicating to the customers, as well as through marketing the activities, okay, and innovations, and as well as to the maintaining of the brand consistency in the market. So these are all the steps in which we can reinforce the brand in the market. So what are the major principles, key principles related to your reinforcing the brand in the market? There are many key principles which is available related to your reinforcing, like you're maintaining the consistency, and you're protecting the brand equity, and also innovating and adapting the brands, and monitoring the product life cycle properly. That is most important in case of your reinforcing the brand. So these key principles can be kept in your mind, and the various strategies which can be followed in your reinforcing of the brand is creating the consistent brand voice, as well as building a strong visual identity, and also engaging with your younger audience is also most important, and communicating with the core values, and developing a creative campaigns related to your products, and build a community where your brands can have a good recognition. So this is also possible in case of your these strategies. When it is possible to be implemented, this reinforcing brand is also possible. So what may be the advantages and the disadvantages related to your reinforcing of the brand? First, let me explain to your disadvantages. Particularly the cost, it can be increased, and when we want to reinforce the brand in the market, the cost of the product will also be increasing in the market. We have to take higher risk of the product in the market, and we have to sustain in the market is becoming a great question mark. So these may be the main disadvantages related to your reinforcing the brand. And the next is related to your advantages of your reinforcing the brand is, again, you are having more attracted with more number of your customers in the market, and you can increase your campaigns, which will be helpful to increase your market share. So from your this, in case of this, I already in case of your maturity level, we are going to implement this reinforcing the brand. So automatically what happens is, you can capture the market very easily at this particular stage, because your customers is higher, your market stage is higher, so automatically will reach to you more number of customers also. These are the major advantages for by way of your reinforcing the brand. So apart from your major advantages and disadvantages, the key factors which has to be kept in your mind in case of your reinforcing the brand is, say, what are the key factors may be, right? First, we have to go for your campaigns, right? So campaigns, it has to attract your younger customers, that is most important. So the younger customers, how they will be attracted with your way of your continuous consistent advertisements, as well as reaching through their campaigns to the younger customers. So the younger audience to be targeted first. And also you can keep in your mind with your products, iconic products into your mind. So this iconic products, when it reaches to the younger audience, automatically the success rate will be higher. So the iconic products, say for example, you take your Apple, they reach with the electronic products with your iPad as well as your iPhone. So automatically what happened is, they reach the iconic products, say for example with the iconic customers also. So this can be reached. So this is the one way in which you can reach to the large number of audience very easily. So in this way, following the key principles and the strategies keeping inside your mind, you can reinforce your brand into the market so the success rate will be higher. Thank you.